We've come a long way in our transportation journey. Today, how technology communicates and connects directly impacts the road user experience. Vehicles and infrastructure interact to create an intelligent network. Automation and AI streamline traffic management while also improving prioritization, reporting, and control. Safety and efficiency progress like never before when everyone is given the opportunity to synchronize with a smart road network. There is more to a road than meets the eye. With a variety of traffic data collection points, you can analyze every element of the road. Traffic systems don't exist in a vacuum. Each variable affects another, from speed, vehicle type, volume, and signal timing to transportation mode choice and human behavior. These complex systems must rely on data, integration, and expertise to keep everything moving. Creating a future-proof roadmap means making decisions that enable the evolution of new, applied innovations. Such a journey does not end at a destination. To fully connect the dots, you need security, support, and reliability. IntelliTrafik is committed to the future of transportation and improving the lives of road users with smart technology. When you understand the big picture, data-driven solutions change lives.